Welcome back to our English class once again. If you remember, in the previous class, we have started a short story named as The Umbrella Man, written by Roald Dahl. And we got the introduction of the writer who is actually became famous by writing the children stories. So he has written the adult stories as well as the stories of the children. So he wrote this year one of the tricksters story and how the fraudsters, not necessary to have a villainous look or a vampire look on their faces, but they can trick you with unknowingly and you become one of the victim. Though even though if you are intelligent, alert, and then you know the world very well, you may have every experience, but still some of the people are so innocent looks they have that they can dupe you very easily. This story is based on that type of the trick, or you can say the trickster who has done a trick to dupe the people. Now, if you remember, in the previous class we have discussed that mother and daughter, the three characters were there. One is the 12 years old girl, the other is the 34 years old mother, and the next is the 70 years old decent looking man. The daughter has got a trouble in the teeth or a back tooth. So they visited the dentist, mother and daughter. After filling up of the tooth, mother actually taken the daughter to one of the restaurant where they have taken the daughter has taken what? Banana split, and the mother has taken the coffee. When both of them were actually enjoying that brunch time, suddenly the rain started and the rain was very heavy and it was difficult for them to go to the home, and they were trying to hire a taxi but they were not getting the taxi even though they were wearing the raincoats and all, but still they were getting soaked into the rain. They don't have umbrella with them and they were actually willing to rush to their home back. So they stood outside after eating, they stood outside of the restaurant, they waited there but they were not getting, and suddenly it happened that one of the old man, 70 years old, near to 70 years or more than 70 years, that old man came near to them and he said that he has an umbrella, and he said that I have one. He was very hesitant to ask to mother, excuse me madam, I have some problem, would you like to help me and all. So mother was very like alert type of person, and she has a feeling that maybe that person is wrong, maybe that person is duping, maybe that person is a trickster. So actually she has a habit of doubting the people, and she has a feeling like the person who talks nicely to the strangers, those who talk nicely are not to be supposed to be trusted. So that is her golden rule. So what happened is that here she was reluctant and she was like examining the person thoroughly, and the person has said that madam, I'm actually very much tired, but I don't know how to ask you, but I forgot my wallet. Wallet means the case where you keep the money, and especially men used to keep that money in the back pocket. So he said that I forgot that. So the lady was understood. Now I was getting the same that you were going to ask the money. So she said, you need money. So no, I don't need money. I have to go back to my home because this is my daily routine, like coming to by walk all along long walk I take, and after a long walk, while returning to home I normally hire a taxi because I'm too old and weak to walk again back to home. Like for the walk, he directly came from home to the street. Then again going back to home, he hired a taxi regularly, and he said it is my daily routine. But don't know, because of my old age or because of something, I forgot my wallet. So the mother said that, so what should I do? Like, okay, you forgot the wallet and you don't need money. So what can I do for you? And she was very stern in her expression. Stern means very strict in her expressions. So stone face type. What do I do for you? So the man said, as you people don't have an umbrella, this is my silk umbrella. He said, what he said, don't need money freely. I need the money and very old to walk back, obviously. Now he need a taxi, just now I explained, and then exchange, what he said is that I have one silk umbrella, and I wanted that silk umbrella to be given to you, and in return you gave me only £1. £1 is less amount, and actually the silk umbrella's cost was £20. Silk umbrella cost was £20. It was £20, and what he wanted in return? In return he wanted only £1. He said, I need £1 for what? To get a taxi to back to my home. So the mother said that, how can I take £20 umbrella in £1? I'll give you only £1. You take it and go back to your home. So the person has said, no, I don't need any favor from you, because I am not a beggar or a person who can dupe the people. I'm not of that type, because there is a need, genuine need for me, and I have silk umbrellas and all. I can afford that, but right now I don't have any amount. So for that purpose, instead of begging from you or taking favors from you, I thought I should give my silk umbrella to you and get £1 from you. So what do you think, whether the old man was in loss or profit? £20 he is giving in £1. So obviously he is in loss. And it was very difficult decision for the mother, whether should I take or not. Because any of the nice persons, they would have a feeling that, are we taking undue advantage of that person's suffering, or because the person is needy? So are we taking any undue advantage of that situation? So she thought for a moment and all, and she said, why don't you take £1 freely from me? She said, no, I don't need any free amount. So the lady hesitantly, what lady has done? Mother hesitantly exchanged the £1 to silk umbrella. Who has got silk umbrella? Mother and daughter. And who got £1? For that old man. For what purpose he got? For the taxi, returning to his home. Mother was first time, she got very much impressed by the person, and she said he is really thoroughly a gentleman. Though he was wearing, the girl, if you remember in the previous class, I said that the girl was very much impressed by the politeness, by the dressings and all. The girl was like, such a nice old man. Now mother has got convinced, and she said, such a nice old man he is. Like, he does not want to take the amount freely, and silk umbrella is actually very costly, and mother has a dream of getting the silk umbrella. She said, always I wanted to get a silk umbrella, but I don't have that much amount. Now this person has given nearly free to me, because £1 does not matter. So, and she was very much happy, as well as she was feeling very, you can say, respect towards that old man. And she thought that, okay, what a nice gentleman, maybe he has some very great background of the family, and maybe he belongs to any of the royal families. The girl was also like, yeah, he was speaking well, and like both mother and daughter, they actually took the umbrella. They were very happy to be standing under the umbrella. Suddenly it happened that the girl has shown the mother the old man who was crossing the road. She said, Mama, he was very happy by getting the £1, that why he was not hiring the taxi, because she is 12 years old, and you know that normally the children have a habit of at least following by their eyes to the people. Okay, like just now the old man has came and asked and took the £1 and given such a silk umbrella, and mother was impressed. So the girl was following from her eyes, she was following the old man, and instead of hiring the taxi, the old man was walking. So the girl has said to mother, just look at that, why the person is not hiring the taxi. So suddenly mother has also turned, and she started looking at the person. So the person was walking. Which person? The old man. He was walking very fast. And what he said? Very old to walk back. That means very weak. My legs are very weak. I am too old to walk back. So mother was like, suddenly she said, is it the same old man which we have just met? So the daughter has said, yes, that is the same person, and he was walking in a very hurry manner. So what had happened to him? He was saying that my legs are weak and I could not walk. I am such a weak person, feeble person right now. After such a long walk, I could not return to my home on walk. So how could it is possible that he was walking so fast and that near to running like? So the mother got a little bit suspicious, and she said, okay, you just come along with me to the daughter. We'll follow him. We'll follow him where he is going. Let us follow, let us find out where that person is going. And mother and daughter, both of them have started following that person. And slowly he was like running like, and they were in the umbrella which was given by that old man, and the old man was not at all with any umbrella, he was on the coat. So the rain was heavy and the whole coat and hat was completely drenched into the rain. That means completely get wet into the rain. It was droplets were falling down and all, but he was not bothering, and he was walking like a young boy. So the mother got very much suspicious, and both of them were nearly running to follow his footsteps. And he has taken so many lefts and rights, and he reached to one. Suddenly he has actually disappeared. After walking along, he has disappeared. In the next class, we'll continue that. Till that time, go ahead in guessing that what had happened next. In the next class, we'll come to the conclusion. By the time, take care. Have a good day.